Have you ever wondered how your burger gets made so quickly at McDonald's, or how Amazon delivers your package the next day? That's the magic of operations management, the behind-the-scenes superhero of every business. What is operations management? Let's make it super simple. Operations management is all about how things are made, delivered, and improved in a business. It makes sure the right product is created at the right time, in the right way, with the least amount of waste. A famous definition by William Stevenson says, operations management is the management of systems or processes that create goods and/or provide services. In short, it's how businesses run things smoothly and efficiently. Example time. Let's say you own a pizza shop. Operations management means planning how much dough you need each day, hiring and scheduling staff, making sure pizzas are baked perfectly, delivering them fresh and hot, and fixing anything that goes wrong. All of that is operations. And it doesn't just apply to restaurants. It's used in factories, hospitals, schools, airlines, and even movie production. Why it's important. Operations management is super important because it helps businesses save money, keep customers happy, improve quality, deliver on time, and grow faster. A business without operations management is like a car without a driver. It's going nowhere. Famous quote. As Peter Drucker once said, efficiency is doing things right, effectiveness is doing the right things. Operations management does both. Right things, the right way. So next time you enjoy a fast delivery, a perfectly made product, or smooth service, remember, there's a team of people managing operations behind the scenes. Whether you want to run a business, become a manager, or just understand how things work, operations management is a skill you need to learn. Subscribe to this channel for more fun business lessons.